Hello everyone, myself Pranita Gadve from Signet Public School, Nunari. Student, when there is a rainy season, you must like to float paper boat in a rain puddle. Student, in my childhood, I like it very much. Do you like to make paper boat and to float in rain puddles? Yes, we like to float paper boat in rain puddles. The main source of water is rain. So today we are going to see 7th standard geography chapter number 5, that is water. As you know that water is very essential for our life. Without water, human beings, animals and living things cannot survive. Water is very precious. When we think of water, what images come to in our mind? That is, we think of river, waterfall, pitter patter of raindrops, water in taps. Where does water come from? The water comes from, that is, sea, ocean and river. The water cycle shows the continuous movement of water within the earth atmosphere. The sun heat causes evaporation into vapor. When the water vapor cool down, it condenses and form clouds. It is called condensation. From there, it is may fall on the land or sea in the form of rain, snow. The process by which water continuously changes its form and circulates between ocean, atmosphere and land is known as the water cycle. The main source of water are river, ocean, sea, waterfalls, spring and glacier. Next we see the distribution of water. Now we all know that 3/4 of earth surface is covered by the water. If there is more water than land on this earth, why do so many countries face scarcity? In all the water on the earth available to us, water distribution can be demonstrated by a simple activity. By the simple activity, you will understand the percentage of water, with how much water we are going to use. Now what we have to do? We have to take 2 liters of water, let it replace the total water on the earth. Measure out 12 spoons of water from this vessel into another bowl. The water that is left behind the vessel represents a salty water. Salty water means it is a saline water. Now this water is obviously not fit for consuming. It is saline means salty water. 12 spoons of water that was taken in a bowl is the total amount of the fresh water on the earth. See for ourselves how much water can actually used by us. Means there is 2/3 of the earth is the water, but we are using only 1% of water, that is fresh water. Next we see ocean circulation. Now there is something magical about walking bare feet on the seashore. The wet sand on the sea beach, the cool breeze, the seabirds, the smell of the salt in the air and music of the waves. Everything is so fascinating when we are going on the sea beach. Now unlike the calm water of the ponds and lake, ocean water keeps moving continuously. It is never still. The movement that occur in the ocean can be broadly categorized as waves, tides and current. Waves, when we are playing throw balls on the beach, the balls fall into the water. What happened? Next, it is fun that to watch how the ball gets washed back to the shore by the surface of the ocean. When the water on the surface of the ocean rises and falls alternately, they are called waves. Next is that tide. What do you mean by tides? The rhythmic rise and the fall of the ocean water twice in a day is called a tide. It is high tide when water covers much of the shore by rising to its height. It is low tide when water falls to its lowest level and recedes from the shore. The strong and gravitational pull exerted by the sun and the moon of the earth's surface causes the tide. In this way, this is the waves and tides. Next there was current. Now ocean currents are stream of water flowing constantly on the ocean. Now ocean surface in definite direction. The ocean currently may be warm and cold. Generally, the warm and ocean currents originate near the equator and more toward the pole. In this way, we learn the movement of the water. I hope that you will understand the topic. Okay, thank you.